Hello, good evening. My name is Ajay Balbhim Deode. I am from Latur and I am recently completed my BA in JH Raisoni College in Pune. And today's date is 27 June and 2021. And today's video topic is a string in Java. The concept of the string. First we can first I am explain to the concept means the definition of the string. The string is a collection of the elements, means we can collect the many of the element in the string. The how to create the string. The string are we can create by using two ways. The first we can create by using the literals, and then this we can create by using the new keywords. The first we can see the first method by using the literals. By using literals we can create the string. We can assign the double quotes to create the string. By using this double quote we can create the string. This string will be stored into the directly to into the string constant pool. It is a string constant pool. It is a memory we can assign into the heap memory. In the JVM we can provide to the heap memory. This heap memory we can create a string constant pool. It is a by using literal we can create the string. It will be stored into the string constant pool, and then it will be create once into this location. We can create another string to same we can create another string by a same name or same literals by using, but it also creating into the object into the string constant pool. We can assign this second string to this location, and by using the new keywords. By the second method we can using the by new keywords. Now the second way to create by the string. This string created this string by using new keywords we can create it. This string will also assign the heap memory. It will be stored into the heap memory, and by after some time it will be stored into the string constant pool. It will be same assigned to the string constant pool. The string is a class. By using in the string we can assign the three classes. The first is a string, then the string buffer and string builder. We can see the string buffer and string builder. The string buffer and string builder are both are the same function, but it will be assigned the different syntax. This using the we can create the string into the mutable. The concept of the string are immutable, and then explain about the string buffer. Why the use string buffer in string builder into the string. The first concept to the string are immutable. The string also called to the immutable, and the why create the string are immutable. The string are immutable create to the reduce the space of the memory to store the multiple object created into the string. It will be once the create this object into the string, it will be assigned this location to the various string to create the same object. And then we can see the why the string are immutable. The string means the string are immutable because of the string are once the created, then the string are stored into the string constant pool. Then the string constant pool assign this create the object, and we can does not changes this object, and then we can create the any changes into this string. We can assign the second second memory space, and it will second memory space into the string constant pool and create the second object. It will be the concept of the why the string immutable. This string will be also stored into the string constant pool or a heap memory. And then this advantages we can don't change the string by using this string method, string class. We can using the string builder and string buffer class. We can create the string into the immutable. Means we can create the string into the mutable, means we can changes into this object by using the string builder and string buffer class. Then the